Long pass out wide, it's a straight 2-on-1 and Nadolo will walk it in. Oh, how easy was that made to look? Oh, it's pass there off the right hand. Stewart the extra man. And Scott on to Stewart. And then it's Nadolo. Is being played. Hutchinson holds that back for bigger, lovely handling, bit of width on the ball, and Naiyaravoro is outside for the run-in. 16 phases.
Really nice movement, the long pass from Mitchell, out the back from Hutchinson, and then they've created that extra man on the outside. Naiyaravoro don't need to use his power to walk that one in.
Radradra running into space, he doesn't need that much space, he's taking on the defence, he's in a world of his own at the moment. Get your telescope out, aim it towards the Milky Way, and somewhere in it you will find that bloke.
2 or 3 attacks that Bristol might kick the ball away. Andy Uren has got other ideas. Radradra calls for the ball and wow, I mean it's as if they weren't even there. He just turned on the afterburners, finds the gap. Look at this, ball in 2 hands, wonderfully balanced. Ball in 1 hand now. And then looking for his support players. Oh, there's none there. I'll just run round Matabasi as if he doesn't exist.